Thomas going fishing. Thomas is at the river. He's out sharing fishing. People wait. Thomas peep peep. And children wave. I'm gonna get the fish, Thomas. The fish time. That's fun. Each day, Thomas saw the children. Each day, Thomas fished the fish. Oh dear. My border hurts. A driver, look at the border. It's empty. Thomas gets the water from the river. They say that word.
Which one?
That word.
Soon they were chugging along.
The same word. Chugging on. Do that one.
No, you do it. You know it.
You do it. You ready?
Nope. So,
Okay.
give Jakey one of his books.
Huh?
Give Jakey one of his books.
Here you go, Jake. Here's your book. Here's your book. Read it.
Careful.
There you go. There you go.
All right, yeah, put it on the floor for him. Thank you. All right. Hold on.
What are you doing?
So what do you say? Thomas stopped again. What did he say?
Thomas stop again. Hee hee. My border feels fun.
All right, turn the page.
It's your driver licking the border. It's not empty.
What was in it?
Fish. 2 fish.
All right, turn the page.
Hey, why in the border is not all. There's a fish too. Each day, Tom saw the children.
So did Thomas have an idea?
Thomas had it. The driver looking on Thomas. Do it.
The children could fish
And Thomas
in the river.
in the river and fish on Thomas.
That's right. So what? And
What they did.
that is what they did.
Pee pee.
Yay.